Hello guys, this is House Fitness. My name is Min Young, and today we're going to walk through some combinations, which is jab, straight, uppercut, hook, and hook. So what this is really about is a lot of rotations, a lot of hooks and uppercuts will require a lot of hip rotations, and essentially you want to always put your arms out. So as a breakdown, I jab out, 2, uppercut, come right back to this stance, hook and hook. So we always want to get that momentum. We always want to stay away from the midline. Always want to go through that momentum, weight distribution to generate that power. So as a walkthrough, jab, straight, uppercut, come back here to get more momentum, 3, and then a 4. Remember to always put your hands up. The punch, your hands that are not punching is always beside your chin. So 1, 2, 5, 4, and 3. Always remember to breathe out every time you punch. So as a final demonstration. So that's how you throw these combinations. Always remember to throw with hip rotations. Always put your arms out, and always be very still, and always very relaxed. Thank you for watching. Link in the description.